Check mic. Yun. Alright. Yan, magandang gabi. Good evening everyone. Pasensya na, I look like a mad scientist right now. Hindi pa rin ako nagkakapagpa-haircut because it's been a very busy couple of weeks for me. Sobrang exciting. This evening na po, talking about exciting, this evening na po ang land sale. Right? That's the land sale for Ember Sword, which we've been waiting for quite a while already. We were blessed enough to be able to, what do you call this? To be able to get this one right here. This is a land plot. It's a town plot. NFT po siya of Ember Sword. And then they're selling their real estate. It's one of the most anticipated NFT games kasi for the first time, this is the first NFT na hindi siya pay to win. Hindi ibig unlike other NFTs kasi na the more money you have, the better chances you have in the game. Right? This game right here is iba yung approach niya. They're not really about ballooning up into a bubble. They're into their vision is for long term, right? Yung pera dyan, it's for cosmetic purposes. Kung gusto mong pumogi, pwede you can shell out money para pumogi ang character mo. Or you can sell the items that you get while adventuring and sell it to people na gustong bumili. So there is legitimate purpose of there's legitimate source of income right here, right? Kasi if you've been a gamer, you should understand that skins, people will shell out money for skins, right? That is how Dota 2 is getting income, and that's the reason why they're able to really push out these tournaments worldwide, globally, because dahil lang sa skins. Imagine that. And Dota 2's tournament right now is happening, TI-10, right? The International 10. Ang pot money, right? The pot money is around $40 million. And saan po galing yan? For shelling out skins, right? That's crazy. Even League of Legends, the biggest tournaments right now, skins po ang basihan. Dun sila kumikita, right? It's not pay to win, and this game right here is not pay to win. Very excited because mamayang gabi na po ang land sale. If you can see here, available in 4 hours 54 minutes. I'm gonna be buying my land plot, and together with the partners, we're gonna be able to get this. This is $400 worth. This is how I'm just gonna share to you how crazy this game is. Napaka-limited lang ng land. We were blessed enough with our network, with our following, kasi hindi sila basta-basta nagbibigay nito. You have to be able to help the game for them to give you these kinds of these openings, right? So tayo with our partner, who's also si Shinbu, is isang sikat na shoutcaster sa ML and League of Legends Wild Rift, is my partner here. With our overall network, we were able to get at least a town. We were applying for a city, which is 4 million, but we got the town, $8,000, 400k po. May apat po yan na land, right? Apat na town lots. One town lot, right? This is 4, right? And then 400,000 and 4, so you divide 400,000 by 4, that's 100k each, di ba? Kung ibebenta mo isang town lot ngayon, how hot this NFT is, right? The last land plot na town na nabenta, let me just maybe I need to refresh this. Right, this filter is already on recently sold. The last land plot na nabenta is right here, 6.5 ETH, right? So 6.5 ETH in peso is 6.5 ETH to PHP is almost 1.2 million right now. 1.2 million. Imagine 100,000 pesos kung ibebenta namin kaagad, nag 1.2 million kaagad siya. So times 12 kaagad. Right? So that's how crazy this game is. That's how crazy NFT games are right now. And I'm very excited for this. I'm gonna be giving you updates every now and then sa laro na ito. Hopefully you're gonna join me in the future sa paglalaro ng game na ito, diba? But big update ito. PSEI tayo, another green day, up 7183. It is the highest we have been since February. January even. Ito yung pinakamataas natin inabot since January for this year, right? Hindi naman sa for this year, pero since early January, ito pinakamataas na. We are now up 1.62. We're at 7183 for PSEI. Net foreign buying tayo, 199 million. Maliit lang. But that's okay. But the big news is MWIDE. I told you guys, bodegahin nyo ito. Dito pa, at dito pa, binigyan pa kayo ng isang chance pa na bumalik yan. And isa pang uling chance para bumalik yan. That is a triple bottom, my dear friends. And nag-consolidate ng napakaganda. I told you, bodegahin nyo dyan. And right now, it is already winning. If ever sinunod nyo ko, this is already up 14%. And I guess this is still gonna go on an uptrend if the market really goes on an uptrend. If not, maybe sideways, 22% is gonna be the take profits level for MWIDE. My trading strategy works. Yeah, you've been following me for quite a while already, diba? Mamamatay tong daily grind if ever our trading strategy does not work. Alright, JFC also, we called this one breakout right here. Pasukin nyo sa breakout and now it is on the run. Hopefully, pinasok nyo po ito. Napakaganda ng call na yun. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega kay MWIDE, kay na Mega World, yung mga kinol natin na mga buys. It is doing well already. So congratulations to you, right? Hindi ba nagpe-play yung background music ko? Right? Play natin yung background music. Here we go. Yan. So, yan, very excited. Grabe nga yung ano eh. Also, what is keeping me busy right now is this right here. This is Axie Infinity na management tool. And yung mga nakapag-partner sa akin with Axie already is earning right now, right? This is a daily income ng isang Axie player as a newbie, nasa 75 SLP a day minimum. And right now, some are earning 160 already for the day, 123 SLPs. So that's gonna be shared by the Scholar and yung tayo as manager and with my partners. If ever gusto nyo makipag-partner up sa akin, if you wanna diversify into NFTs, especially Axie, which is very hot right now, pero ayaw nyo po yung sakit ng ulo ng being a manager, ako na po bahala with the network that I have sa mga gamers. It's gonna be very efficient. Meron ako na magmamanage, look for Axies, good Axies, magmamanage ng mga tao, etc. Wala na kayo iisipin, right? And we're gonna be sharing the profits, right? So send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 if you wanna partner up. Another thing that's making me busy and excited right now, I wanna zoom into this part of the map and look at this. Kahapon, 112%. Ngayon, 160%. So there is a good climb on our positions right now and hindi pa kina-close yung positions. Now we are already 201%. If ever Izanagi closes out the positions or if ever yung yellow line na yan umabot ulit sa pula, you see this, whenever there's a dip and then mag-abot yung yellow at pula, there is gonna be a sudden rise of the gains. And that's what I am expecting right now since reversal ng market. It's starting to go up. Pag nag-meet yan dyan sa taas, this should go up already. Congratulations sa mga nag-Izanagi dyan. This is passive income already. I'm earning in Izanagi without doing anything at all ngayon. Right? That's the purpose of being in the stock market, di ba? And Izanagi, fast forward 10 months lang itong account na ito. January 18 nagsimula and fast forward right now, it's already at 201 and if ever mag-close na itong position na ito, it is gonna rise up a lot. Let me know magkano na yung income nyo sa Izanagi nyo. How many percentage is you're earning already? Let me know in the comments. Congratulations sa mga Izanagi. This is bot trading. It is an algorithm, yung automated trading na ito. And this bot is for free. Meron tayong isa na hindi free, si Valkyrie, which is still doing well, right? Overall, okay pa rin naman si Valkyrie. Isang micro Izanagi natin. Look at this. The spike of the positions is already there. This account is already up 47.22%. This account started at July 9. Right? So fast forward until October 6, ang laki na ng kita kaagad. Si Izanagi kong isa, ito 11.02. I'm not sure if this is updated. I think this is updated. October 13 yung last update niya. So there's something wrong with my FX book on my public account, yung pinakita ko talaga sa inyo, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung amount. This one is 999 yung Valkyrie natin. It's not updated. Yung last update niya is October 7 pa. This should be higher already. Ang ganda ng positions ng Valkyrie natin. But then again, congratulations sa mga nag-join sa bot trading natin. If you wanna join, right? If you wanna join, it's never too late, right? Punta lang kayo sa video description. meron po diyang link for the videos about Izanagi, about Valkyrie, so that you will know about it. I want you to learn about it first before you register. Registration is in the link above. Let me just adjust my microphone really quick. One moment. Yan, para mas malapit. Hindi ko kailangan mag-shout para marinig ninyo. Yeah, andyan sa video description yung registration links natin. Let me just move this and move this further. Much better, right? So, yan. PSCI, mag-charting tayo ngayon. I'm just giving you updates. Sobrang dami natin din-diversify over the couple of weeks. And even the positions that we were talking about sa daily grind natin are already winning. So, congratulations. Sobrang daming blessings. Ayan, sinasabi ko sa inyo, daming opportunities. You just have to train yourself to open your eyes. Keep an open mind. Hindi naman in a networking manner. But yeah, ginagamit kasi yan. Medyo naging basa yung linya na yan. Open-minded ka ba? It's still positive. It's still positive. Believe me, it's still positive. Medyo nadumihan lang talaga yan because of MLMs. Don't get me wrong, MLM is good, right? It's just that sobrang gamit na. There are MLMs that are good, right? It's still decent. It's still a decent industry, right? It's just that people are thinking more about money and income in it rather than the products, which is bad. Dapat nangunguna yung products eh. The earnings should be bonus lang sana. Pero yeah, it's all about money right now for everyone. So it is what it is. But yeah, please keep an open mind always, right? Tulad ni Axie, right? Noon, I was very critical kay Axie because yung settings niya, it's not really that healthy, kaya bumagsak ang SLP. We were right about it. And then Axie made very good changes along the road kasi I told you a game company can always have updates in their game and maganda yung plano nila. That's why I also dipped in kay Axie Infinity when it bottomed out. That was the best opportunity. I always told you ever since, use the hype. It's still very hyped right now. Do not let the hype use you. So that is what I mean by that. Enter at the right time. Huwag yung padalos-dalos kasi sabi nito, ganito kitaan, right? Look for the proper entry. Right? Also, it's always wise that way, right? And now, we are this strong. How many scholars are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're already up 16 and then meron pa tayong binibreed ngayon. We should be closing the week at 20 scholars. That means 20 individuals na po ang napatrabaho natin, binigyan natin ng trabaho through Axie Infinity, and we're earning at the same time, right? And lagay natin sa 60,000 per team. Yun yung budget ko talaga for the per team. And times 20, that is around 1.2 million na, right? And it's starting to earn already. Total earning po dito, Anthem SLP is around 32,000 na kaagad, right? And this has just been running for 1 week. It's already earning money for us. If ever, again, I want to invite you guys, if ever you want to go into NFTs, pero ayaw yung sakit ng ulo, it's not really for everybody, right? Pero kung gusto nyo mag-diversify dito because you want to take the opportunity still that is presented by NFTs, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. I can give you my proposal for a partnership. Ako na bahala sa lahat ng sakit ng ulo dyan, right? Let me go to the comments. Ang dami kong nasabi ah. Alright, good evening everyone. Magandang gabi sa Lumba, Rowena Saligan. Good evening Sir Loy. Good evening po Marilu Rubio. Moy, shout out sir. Shout out to Moy. Moy is one of our Moy is one of our scholars. Shout out to you, man. And this is what I'm talking about, right? In behalf of Moy, I want to thank everyone na nakipag-partner sa akin. It really feels good na nakakatulong tayo ng mga tao. At the same time, we're earning as a bonus, di ba? So it's a win-win situation. Moy is one of our scholars na nanonood rin ngayon. And at the very least, I am able to influence these guys to be financially literate also. Because I'm influencing these players din naman kasi at the same time, right? So it starts with a job and then I'll teach them how we are doing it. So it goes from there. Start with, ang dami natin matutulong sa mga individuals na ito, right? So we're helping them and we're earning at the same time. It's a win-win situation. I love that, right? I think I made, ano tawag dito? yun yung root ng success ko. If ever you call me successful, I consider myself successful already. Sobrang dami ng blessings natin. But yeah, I started with just with the aim of helping people for free, right? Marunong ako mag-trade. I know how to trade. I want to teach people how to trade. Meron mga lessons dyan, seminars na sobrang mahal dati. So, I wanted to cut that. And marami akong bashers dati because sino ba ako para magturo? Blah, 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 ganito, ganyan. And let's face it, I somehow broke the status quo of teaching stock market before, right? Kasi nagmamahalan yan dati. Tapos ako nagtuturo halos libre. With the sponsor before of eToro, with the sponsorship of eToro, I was able to do live seminars for free. Si eToro nagbabayad sa akin sa lahat. Ang mga tao libre na. So we broke the norm of mahal na seminars, right? So it started like that, and with yung heart talaga to teach. I guess that was the foundation of my success, and we were able to really grow from there. So hopefully you learned something from it. This is one way for us to be able to help people and at the same time earn, right? So if you want to partner up with Axie Infinity with me, hit me up sa Financial Freedom 101. Jericho Malabiga, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Watching here in Qatar, pa-shoutout po sa newly parents dyan. John Michael and Ferrell Lopez. Thanks po. Congratulations to the new parents dyan. John Michael and Ferrell Lopez, also for Jericho. Magandang gabi. Sir IC2, this is from Laura Napa. Let's check out... Again, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay JFC. We called it on a breakout. Get in. MWIDE, yan. Libre na yan. Linibre ko na kayo ng income dyan. Hopefully, you heeded my call to buy it right here. A little patience. Hindi siya lumipad kaagad. But right now, you should be reaping what you sow. So, congratulations. Libre ko na sa inyo yan. Let's go to ICT. Ito yung request ni Laura Napa. It is still on a downtrend. I will stay away from it for now for ICT. Right? One of the reasons why I really hate when stocks go like this, because it's already very risky, and if it drops, it breaks, at hindi kayo nakapag-cut loss, who knows saan kayo pupulutin. Right now, it is on a downtrend. Stay away from it. Right? That's for ICT. Junior Aquino, patience. Agree precision trading works. Bollinger Band plus RSI, simple to remember and it works. Thanks, Sir Lloyd. You're welcome, Junior Aquino. Congratulations, man. Plus patience, syempre. Okay pa ba bumili ng Axie now, sir, from Ran Tabilas? Actually, okay pa. Right, si SLP USDT is really, it is somehow showing bullish signals. RSI is starting to shoot up already, right? Buying is already there. Lumalakas na naman siya ngayon. I would say it's still good. Nasa 4 peso level pa rin lang tayo. Hindi pa naman siya lumilipad dula dito. You were asking me about Axie noon. During these levels right here, it was good. But so many were asking about Axie around these levels kasi na-hype na, told you not to. Right now is a good time to enter. Bakit? You can buy Axies right now for cheap, right? Sobrang mura ng Axies ngayon. Marketplace, Axie Marketplace. Let me just open Axie Marketplace. Right. So, right now, ito, mga recently sold na Axies, meron $247. $247 is around 13,000 pesos, 12,000 pesos for an Axie. This Axie is already very good. That's a very good price, right? Maganda na tong Axie na ito. This is an aquatic Axie. Meron siyang swift escape, meron siyang fish hook, may shell jab, tsaka tail slap. Ang ganda na ng Axie na ito. Alright? And it's already only 12,000 pesos. Sobrang mura ngayon ng mga Axies still. So, I would say it's still a good time to, it's still a good time to, what do you call this? To start Axie. Sobrang mura ngayon. With around 50,000 to 60,000 pesos, you get a decent team na, wag nyo naman sobrang baratin. Kasi sasakit lang ulo nyo. It's gonna be very boring when you're playing with an always losing team. Yes, may kikitain kayo, pero the feeling na lagi kayo natatalo, it's not that good, right? Around 50,000 pesos to 60,000 pesos. What do you call this? Naku po, ang dami ng comments, hindi ko na nabasa. Around 60,000 pesos, you can reach around 1,800 MMR na if you're a good player. Okay na yan. Pasensya na if ever medyo natabunan na yung comments. Ang last ko nababasa na comments ngayon is Chart Fernandez who has a request. Ang daldal ko. Hindi ko nabasa yung mga comments. Pasensya na. So just please comment again lang if ever na-miss ko yung ano ninyo. LTG. Yes to Izanagi, $27 in $500 account. $27 na ang kita ni ano. Naku po. I need to, kailangan kong bilisan. Nika Nix is asking about Lode. Let's check it out later. Mukhang okay na sa LTG. Support is at 9.07. If ever it goes back down to 9.07, that's going to be a very good entry kasi overall, hindi pa naman bullish yung LTG. Lode po. Sige, I'm gonna go to the charting na. Tama na ang daldal. This is a good entry for Lode, ha? Maganda yung bottoms ni Lode right now. RSI is looking well. If you want to trade this one out, that's your support. Cut loss below that for Lode. Junior Aquino, congratulations sa kita mo kay Izanagi. Be like Junior Aquino. Open na kayo ng Izanagi, right? It's for free. Anong paninintay nyo? Sir, good evening. Anytime pwede ba mag-join sa Izanagi? Anytime po. Andrew Caracas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Izanagi, 0.39. Started this Monday lang. Lunes lang nagsimula. 0.39% kagad. That's good, man. Congratulations, Andrew Caracas. Loner FOMO, good evening. Rosario Rosal, good evening. Bought JFC the other day and you should be winning already. Congratulations. Alan Oshalan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Big win today talaga. JFC at MWIDE. Congratulations, Alan Oshalan. We've been calling those entries before. And eto na, correct on MLM products dapat. Romelyn Bonayas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. 24.63 up sa JFC. Congratulations. Wait ko lang mag-pull back and bounce or kapag confirm na yung breakout sa pagpasok ulit ko. Sir Jepoy Gagarin, congratulations, man. Big winner there. Good trades. Events Ariola, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pacheck po si Meg. Kung sell signal na kasi overbought na yung RSI. Also si Meg, sinabi natin to noon. Bodegahin nyo na habang nasa baba pa. And there it is. Still, yes, RSI is already hitting 70 levels. Pero resistance niya andito. Wala pa tayong sell signal, man. It's still going green. So, wala pa sell signal. Maybe if it goes red, you can sell some already. But congratulations, man. I like the program like this. Diba, dati, nakikipag-usap tayo sa mga chat room, ganito, ganyan, lagi tayong lugi. Ngayon, at least take profits yung pinag-uusapan natin, diba? It's been like this for quite a while already. And I'm happy that this is working. And this is the reason why I asked you to share the video. Pag-share po the video na ito sa mga friends ninyo, to your trading groups if you have any, para mga newbies doon, they will know that there's a program like this. That will, that will help them in their stock market journey. Thank you. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ngayon ko ulit na panood. Still winning pa din po mga stocks ko dahil sa mga lessons nyo. Congratulations, friends. Kay Villas. By the way, congrats kay Miss Charm ng Ready to Adult. Engaged na siya. Yes, congratulations to Charm. She's also Cebuana. Also teaching people about finance maturity. Ako lang, medyo na-focus ako sa stock market and trading and NFTs. I'm not a general wealth coach. Right? I talk about opportunities, ganito ganyan. Yung ibang mga general wealth coach, they talk about the theory, the how to get rich. Ako mismo is naghahanap ako ng opportunities and I bring you guys with me. Right? Tulad ng Ember Sword na nangyari. Sumobra pa nga yung investors natin kay Ember Sword. Right? I was only looking, we were looking at 26. Sobrang dami na. I was expecting mga 10 lang. We were looking for 300K lang sana for partnership. Pero sobrang dami, umabot ng 26. Sumobra pa nga, umabot ng 28. So may utang ako sa mga investors. Kasi nagkamali ako ng lista. I asked for a follow-up sa sino yung mga wala dito sa lista na nagbigay na sa akin. Walang nag-reply. So I was assuming the list was already okay. When I closed the list, sabi nila, Sir Lloyd, nag-send na ako ng ganitong ganyan. Oh no, sumobra na tuloy tayo. But it's okay. May utang ako sa mga sa mga nag-invest kaya sa Ember Sword. Jay Parangan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Gigi Mijares, can you explain the importance of volume sa technical analysis? Also, can you give an example? Let's say breakouts. Let's go for JFC. Breakouts. Look at this right here. So there is on buy signals. A breakout is a buy signal, right? That tells you that the reason why it broke out really was the buying demand. Look at this right here. This volume on this breakout compared to normal volume. May mga spikes, yes, but overall the average volume is right there. But the breakout volume is huge. Another huge volume right here. And that tells you the buying is strong. Pair it up with Bollinger Bands. This tells us that there's momentum in the asset, right? So that is how I look at volume. Minsan kasi pag nagkakaroon tayo ng support right here, nagbabay sa support, but the volume is not showing us excitement from the buyers, from the buying. It's not really that strong, and that's the reason why bumaba pa siya. And then during this drop, there's a volume spike right there, and because of the volume spike, it did go up right there, and we are already seeing volume spikes from those points on. Those were bullish signals already. It created an ascending triangle, failed right here. Pero during the drop, once again, look at those volume spikes. That tells you the excitement of the bullish people waiting for it to drop, right? Hindi lang siya umarangkada talaga. Pero here, during the breakout, there's a huge volume spike once again. And that tells you that the buy signal is solid, right? So, yeah, that is the rationale. That's the purpose of volume whenever I do my trades. Dave Viola, Sir Lloyd, SMPH po, and Mer, salamat po. Yes, pwede ko mamaliw anong tubig, yes. Manisod, thank you. Kala. Ayan, so, SMPH po and Mer, salamat po. SMPH, yeah, there it is. Already too late. May mga linya tayo sa SMPH dito. This means that previously, I told you, bodegahin nyo dyan. There's a circle right here that says you should buy there. If it goes further down, you should buy more. Right? I don't erase these para malaman ko when was the last time I called it a buy. Right? Congratulations sa mga may SMPH. It did break out already. I wanted to pull back and bounce and saka nyo pasukin. Right? I don't want to erase that para in the future may reference tayo where I called a buy for it. That's for SMPH. Let's go to Meralco. Mer. All right, Manila Electric Company. Resistance right there for Mer. Right, that is gonna be your buy point just in case it breaks out. Right, because right now it's not in a good buy position kasi medyo nakalipad na si Mer. Ramon Ariola pa scholar po. Follow my page. Follow my gaming page. Right, I have a Facebook gaming page. Let me open it right here. Facebook.com/ ayan. Go search for Leoric PGG, right? Leoric PGG, right? That's my page right there. Leoric is the name of my son. Dito ako nag-update with the axes, right? I'm trying to establish a brand sa gaming sector ko about NFTs kasi. So here, follow my page, Leoric PGG. I will update here kung may mga kailala kayong gusto mag-scholar. Alright, follow nila itong page na ito because I'm gonna be posting application form sa mga gusto mag-scholar. Right? Loner FOMO. Right? Loner FOMO, nag-comment dito. Student mo ko, sir, way back December 2018 sa Lepanto Building sa Makati. Yes. Right? Those were our seminars. Sobrang ganda. Tumulong sa atin noon is 2Trade Asia. That was the office of 2Trade Asia is in Lepanto Building. Loner FOMO, kamusta man? 2018 pa. Tagal na nun. Right? So, tagal ko na nagtuturo actually. Kent Cordova, pa-check po ng BNB. And araw-araw po itong daily grind. Lang sawa. Daily grind, BNB, USDT. Right? We don't really have massive viewing. I'm not really after the viewers. The viewers kasi ng daily grind will come and go, right? Mga viewers ko kasi is newbies. There will come a point that you, if ever marunong na kayo mag-trade, what's the point of watching daily grind pa rin, di ba? So it's not really about numbers, it's not really about entertainment. Ang gusto natin dito is yung mga newbies matuto mag-trade, right? If ever you leave, you don't watch daily grind anymore because your trading is already good, that's mission accomplished for me. So we're not really after viewers. Just please share the video para mas marami mga newbies na makapanood sa atin. BNB USDT reaching, what do you call this? It is already reaching resistance levels. Dapat sinabayan nyo to kay Bitcoin, BTC USD during the support right here. Right? So dapat sinabayan yon. If ever sinabayan nyo yung rise ulit, I did call for Bitcoin to buy right here. Whenever I say buy Bitcoin, buy the other buy also the other altcoins, right? Sila especially yung mga major coins, sila Cardano, sila BNB, sila Ethereum, you buy them kasi susunod sa Bitcoin. And there it is, nakita nyo kanina si BNB sumunod at this is already on a win. So congratulations for sumakay kay BNB. J. Andrew Prangan, ang bilis ng comments J. Andrew Prangan, sad my venture with eToro did not work out. $6 lang po ang kinita ko investing $1,000 with Olivier Danville. Pulled out all my international investments. Alright, Olivier Danville's trading strategy is not really for everyone. He's a very conservative trader. Maganda yung strategy ni Olivier Danville if ever yung amount ninyo malakihan. If maybe, let's say for example, mayroon kayong savings dyan na 1 million pesos. Gusto nyo ilagay sa stock market and that's important to you. That's $1 million. You don't want to put it in high risk investments. Olivier Danville is a good guy to get into, right? Maliitan yung income niya kahit na kumita lang yung 1 million pesos ninyo ng around 6% a year annually. That's already very good for a low risk investment. So it really depends, right? Jose Lumba, MM po. Let's check out MM. MM still dropping. Abangan natin sa support lang muna. No buy for MM for now. Sir MM, Dito and ASEN. Si Dito naman, kamusta natin si Dito? It's already stabilizing. Mas may buy signal pa si Dito kaysa kay MM. So, anytime mag-green si Dito, that's already a buy. Bodegahin nyo na yan. Napakalapit na ng major support ni Dito. That's a buy for me already. Pag-greenin nyo lang yan. Alan Gallardo, Sir MM. Paul Hementera, RLC, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's check out RLC. Mukhang laki na sell-off kanina. Tingnan muna natin dito sa support niya. I can't really say if it's a buy right now. So wala siyang clear na signal. Jenner Lianyo, Sir Picor po. Sure Jenner. Picor. Let's check out Petron Corporation. Reaching resistance. That's already a no buy for me, si Petron. And, hindi na yan pwedeng bilhin. Huwag niyo na bilhin yan. Shell po. SHLPH. Right, Shell PH also nakalipad. Nakalipad naman. Ganda ng dito, ganda ng buy signal dito when Shell PH really broke the downtrend line. Sobrang ganda ng buy dyan. Right now, it's already way up there, hitting resistances. I cannot recommend that anymore. Not my trading style. Sir Lloyd, what's your view on PERC sa PSE? Magandang gabi sa mga nanonood sa YouTube. Dadaanan ko kayo mamaya. It's already 8:35. Alright, PERC and PSE. Right, PERC. Alright, Petro Energy Resources Corporation. This is not a stock that I've been following ever since, right? But technical analysis speaking, malapit tayo sa resistance. It's not a buy for me. Ganda dito, oh. Sobrang ganda ng levels dito with divergence levels right there. Sobrang ganda ng buy signal na pinakita niya noon. Right now, it's a no buy for me. It can still go up, but I don't like the position. Not really for me. Debbie YBD, hi sir, good evening. First time ko po manood ng live niyo po. Share sa akin ni Eddie. Madami daw po matututunan sa video niyo. Salamat po in advance. Welcome, Debbie. And that's the reason why I want you guys to really share the video, diba? For newbies like Debbie, right? They will know that there's a program like this that can help them in their stock market journey. Welcome, Debbie. Right? Eli, sir. Let's check out ELI. Ramin Rezai, bakit mas maganda position trading kaysa ibang style po? Tingin ko po kasi tagal ng trade ng position trader po. Right, it really depends, right? If ever you have the time to really look at the market daily, yung oras-oras, you can go for swing trading and day trading, right? Me, prefer ko ang position trading because I cannot watch the market full time. Marami po akong ginagawa and really, it's boring for me. Being a day trader, being a stock broker talaga, yung oras-oras mo tinitingnan yung what do you call this? Yung markets and updates and news is a calling, right? Hindi lahat tayo gawa para ganyan, right? So I have other avenues where I can make an income. There is a big opportunity in stock market. I also took chances in stock market. Pero hindi po ako pang broker talaga na nakaupo sa PC talaga. So, that's why position trading is good for me. Kasi every night, maybe I'll spend 30 minutes to 1 hour, look at my favorite positions, look at my favorite assets,
and then see if there's a position for it. If not, then wala akong gagawin. Uy, meron ng buy signal sa MWIDE, so bobodegahin ko na to. Tignan ko position bukas, bili ako. Ito, baba na naman, bibili na naman ako. And once I have ready with my position, I'm just gonna wait. Income na kaagad. And while I'm earning with other things. Pero sa mga day traders at saka swing traders na ito na yung kabuhayan nila, it's better, money-wise, right? Income-wise, mas maganda ang swing trader and I'm gonna share to you guys. Alright, hindi ko na makita yung nasa taas kay Rosario Sal. Right? So, natatabunan kasi whenever someone comments. Sobrang bilis. At tayo lang siguro yung live na lahat ng comments halos binabase. Right? So, AGI, kind of way up there. Very strong resistance right here. Best entry point for AGI is here, right here. So, there's no opportunity for me right here. I don't like the position for AGI. Hold po ba or sell si BDO? Si BDO, the banks are doing well right now. Ako is I'm long-term for BDO. I've been very transparent with you guys. Sabi ko sa inyo, ano yung mga long-term stocks ko. JFC, BDO, SMPH, MWIDE, yung apat na yun, and dito, ikalima. So, BDO is one of them. I'm still going long for BDO because look at the bank, look at your city. Ano yung pinakamalakas na banko? BDO. That's why I like BDO. At least I'm diversified into the banking. So, personally, I'm going long-term for BDO. If you're a short-term trader, this is a sell signal already if ever maganda yung position niyo. Ang dami nating kinol na position kay BDO noon. Right? Generiano, DMC po sir got it. 6, may sell signal na ba? DMCI, musta? Congratulations man, that's a sell signal. You got it at 6, sobrang laki na ng panalo mo pre. Take profits man, at least half man lang. Right? Just in case na magtuloy-tuloy siya, at least sakay po yung kalahati mo. Just in case bumagsak, hindi rin masayang yung profits mo. Nakapagbenta ka ng kalahati. Congratulations, Jenner. Good trade right here. Artsy Gams, good evening. Bobby Shelby, bullish po ba si Algo, USDT? Bitcoin right now is bullish, so I am assuming the altcoins are bullish also. I only base the bullishness usually sa Bitcoin. Unless it's an NFT, na iba yung takbo niya, iba yung purpose. So yeah. GT Cap, Globe, RRHI, GT Cap. Galing. Pull back and bounce for GT Cap sa kanyo pasukin. Globe. Si Globe, green kanina eh. Right? It's a no-buy zone for me. Stay already way up there. Kind of expensive already. RRHI. RRHI also, medyo nakalipad na. We talked about RRHI right here. The buy signals right there. The divergences. Sobrang ganda ng call na yan for RRHI also. It's already sobrang taas na ni RHI. Right? FNI. Ito si FNI, nasa baba. I called for FNI. Buy right there. Just cut loss below the support levels just in case mali tayo. Okay? For FNI. That's a buy right there for FNI. Definitely. Ma'am Amy. Right? Napaka-Bisaya ko na Ma'am Amy. Sir Asen po, downtrend na ba? Asen, yes. Not really a downtrend right now. Pero pullback siya, pero we've already called this one out. Bearish signal for ASEN already. It broke MA20, so there is weakness on this asset already. So I guess mukhang reversal signal yan. I can't really know for sure unless we see the lower high. Okay? So ASEN. MWIDE, medyo late na tayo for MWIDE pre. Celebration time na ngayon. I told you that yesterday. Whenever people are celebrating, it's usually a sell signal. Pull back and bounce. If gusto nyo pa makisabay dito, wag dyan sa taas, pabagsakin nyo muna. Get in near MA20 as much as possible. Nancy Catilo. Sir, pacheck po MBT. Take profit na ba? Wait pa ng konti. MBT, congratulations. Take profits. Pag-uusapan natin. Pag bumula yan, we're at resistance levels. Pag bumula yan, take profits. There is circles right here. That means I called a buy right here for MBT. Congratulations also. Right, ang dami natin calls na maganda. And we're reaping we're harvesting right now. Yun yung strategy ko kasi. We plant seeds at the bottom and then for position and then we take our profits right here, right? Pag magaling na kayo sa position trading and you really wanna do swing trading and day trading, go ahead man. At the very least, use this as your core trading and then a small amount lagay nyo for day trading kung gusto nyo mag-practice ng day trading. Pero wag nyong bababayaan to. This should be your, if ever magaling na kayo dito, this should be your, yung ginawa ko dati, I'm very good at position trading, especially in the bullish market. Sobrang ganda ng position tradings noon. What I do is position trade. Ito yung karamihan ng trades ko. And yung mga day trading and swing positions ko, konti lang ng portion ng assets ko. Right? Sir, ETHTP na po ba? Yes, man. Take profits already. It's already good. Even Bitcoin is somehow, somehow showing signals already. That's for Cal Mike. Sir Lloyd Dilo po, ask ko lang po nasaan yung basic crypto. Yung basic, nasaan na po yung basic crypto nyo po? Ano yung basic crypto? Is it for Stocksid na basic crypto, Stocksid? Is it our lesson in Stocksid about basic in crypto? It's in stocksid.com. Hopefully, andito na kayo. By now, punta kayo sa courses. Meron tayong free courses. Ito. Crypto 101, Beginner's Guide for Pinoys. Ay, hindi na pala free to noon. Right. Meron tayong, hindi ako updated nawala na yung mga free courses natin. Right, Crypto 101. Tignan na lang ulit yung live ko. Dati, ang dami natin basics sa crypto. If you wanna learn more, go to stocksid.com. Pinaghirapan namin itong mga lessons dito. Right, check these out. Right, ang napaka-helpful na mga lessons na ito para sa inyo. Okay? Right, so, tapos na yung promo namin for free lessons. Right, so usually Friday nagsasell mga tao. How would you know kung hold lang po? If ever, man, you don't really know for sure. If ever you see a sell signal, just sell, man. You don't really know for sure kasi kung mag-hold ka, may sell signal na nagbebenta naman tao. What if magtuloy-tuloy yung selling sa Monday? So, you just take profits also. Right? J Nemesis, eToro, copy one of the best. Although, di na siya pwede i-copy. Yun nga laki ng kita ko kay J Nemesis noon. 6 months, nag 50% ako kay J Nemesis. Galing. Right? Kaso nga lang puno na siya. Sayang. Sir Lloyd, I have Meg po. Hold po ba or sell na? If ever, it's still a hold. Resistance is right here. Hopefully, it still reaches that level right there. If ever kinakabahan na kayo, sell some of the positions already. Sir Lloyd, good evening. DDMP. Please, DDMPR. Right. So, babalik na naman sa support. Right. Umakyat siya ng konti. The support's right here. I did call a buy right there. Punta mo na ako ng YouTube. Marami kasi nanonood sa atin sa YouTube. Hindi ko pa nababasa. Sell signal po ba MWIDE? Tapos na basic crypto, Stocksid. Yes. Nagbunga din sa MWIDE sa laging bodega lang. Finally. Congratulations, man. Josie M, good evening, Sir Lloyd. PSEI is rising price but RSI the same level. Is it a downtrend po? It's not really a downtrend. PSEI is on an uptrend pero may resistances lang talaga. Right? I still am not counting on a bullish run for PSEI. Bakit? Pa-eleksyon na. I've been repeating the reason before. So, hopefully I'm wrong at mag-rally siya. Then good for us. We're still putting in positions, diba? Di naman tayo closed-minded pa rin. Even if we think that it's gonna go sideways, we're still opening positions at the bottom. So we're safe. Hafa Ada, good evening, Sir Lloyd. I'm one of your loyal fan on audience since 2018. Pa-shout out to my wife, Nene, and Insights for FNI. Salamat po. We covered NFI already. Shout out to Nene, man. FNI, man. Good trade right there. That's a buy. Right? Dice, good evening to everyone. Magandang gabi. Edro at 12. Apple, sir. EAPL. I did call a buy already for Apple on this support right here. Pag nag-green yan, that's a buy, my friend. Pero hindi ko... my strategy here is not really to buy para umakyat, but those are the dips for Apple. I want you to go long-term for Apple, man. This is a dip. If it goes further down, just buy more. Okay? Small kids, good evening. Jaco07, pasilip. Si HK, ito. Yeah, pakikita ba dito? No, it will be seen in Pro Charts. Alright, pull up natin yan mamaya. Jokat, good evening. Dice, Sir Lloyd, question lang. I am copy trading few people eToro, pero 3 of them is negative pa since start of the year. Most of them is invested in major companies. Are they overall gaining? Nasdaq 100 is already on a reversal. Bakit ayaw lumabas ni 0762? May dot pala. Alright, 062 HK. Man, that's a good buy right there. Broke MA20 already. Still a buy, right? That's a buy right there. Good find. This is from Jaco AGRX. Agile Therapeutics. Medyo nakatakot, man. I don't know what happened with the gap down, but engulfing pattern nonetheless. So pull back and pag nagawa ng support yan, that's gonna be your buy. Right? Are they doing good overall? Are they good traders? Kasi Sayang eh. Ganda ng market nung umpisa eh, 'di ba? And they're red overall for the year. They should be in positive already, right? Um, I don't know, man. I don't want to judge these people because I don't know them. So it's really up to you. Ano sa tingin nyo? If you see an opportunity na mas maganda i-copy or maybe you want to go to Izanagi, etc., I would say it's a good choice still, right? Guys, do you think it's stay away muna from US market ngayon? Ang US market is maganda na. NSDQ 100, there it is. Reversal na po tayo. Right? We have a head and shoulder reverse head and shoulder pattern. That's already the dip of NSDQ 100. You should be buying right now. This is the best time to get in. Dapat noon pa, sinabi ko sa inyo na topish na ang NSDQ. I'm staying away from international market. So during that time, since topish ang market, I stay away from eToro. During these levels, I stayed away from eToro and then ginawa namin yung bot, di ba? And we were doing well in bot. Ngayon, buy na naman. It's time to look at international markets once again. Mark Evanson, Lord. Good evening, sir. Othman. Oy, Amir. Here, want to say hi to everyone. Shiba Army here. The crypto guy. Si Amir. Alright, Small Kids Blanco, CLI, Primex, Aba, salamat. Let's check out CLI. I think hindi ko na naman mababasa lahat ngayon. Pasensya na. CLI. Sir, how do you use RSI for confirmation with Bollinger Bands? With my, ang ginagamit ko si RSI if ever I'm position trading. When you're position trading kasi you don't really use Bollinger Bands that much. Kasi minsan sa supports like this one right here, hindi naman natatouch yung Bollinger Bands. That is when I use RSI kung may divergence band to support. And CLI, I told you, buy already because we're seeing very good buying already on momentum side. And there it is, CLI starting to look up, nagpo-pull back ngayon. Next bounce for CLI is gonna be your entry point. Congratulations sa mga nagpumasok kay CLI noon when we called it a buy. Bilis ng bibig ko. Grabe. Nauubos na laway ko. One moment. Primex. Yun pala guys, I saw the problem. Di ba, in the last lives natin, medyo naubos kagad ang energy ko. That was because before the live, ang dami kong ginagawa, hindi ako nakapaghapunan. So I made sure naghapunan ako ngayon, kaya ang dami kong energy while nagla-live tayo. Minsan nakikita nyo na nagsishutdown ako while, nagsishutdown yung energy ko while nagla-live tayo. Ngayon, 8:51 na, napaka-alive pa rin natin. Sumasakit na yung lalamunan ko eh. Kasi naghapunan ako before the live. So, dapat maghapunan pala talaga. It's already 8:51, time check. Primex, man, looking good. Look at that pullback earlier. MA20, nag-bounce na kagad. That's still a buy. Good find on Primex. Good job. Aba, salamat po. Si Aba, medyo tricky yung position, so I don't want to trade that one right there. Dice, thank you, Sir Lloyd, for teaching us. Sana di kayo magsawa. Beginner pala ako, first year sa stock market trading. Pero hopefully, gumaling at makapag-teach or influence then others. Congratulations, Dice. Happy to help, man. Reggie. Hi, sir. Good evening. Watching from Singapore. Any advice sa ipit po na stock? Still worth it po ba to sell kahit talo then find stocks na baba pa? Masayang din naman kasi. If it's a stock na you really like, let's say for example, naipit kay JFC, it's a good stock. And you don't want to sell it, pero ipit ka, right? Very good question. Go to my YouTube channel or search for this one right here. Average down Lloyd Bazaar. In fact, I'm just going to be commenting the link. I didn't cut loss help. How to average down without adding money in stocks. If you're a newbie, most probably hindi nyo alam to, pwede po mag-average down without adding funds. Kahit hindi na kayo magdagdag ng funds, pwede kayo mag-average down. Right? I'll post this on Facebook also para sa mga ipit dyan. Right? So that is a very good video for you guys. Check it out. Right? Marami kayong matutunan sa video na yan. Alright, so moving forward. Reggie, salamat po. You're welcome. LD Ray, good PM, Sir Lloyd. May recommend ba kayo ng NFT game aside from Axie? Parang late na to play Axie. Actually, hindi eh. Actually, it's the right time to start Axie ulit. Right? SLP USDT. SLP USDT. It's the right time to start. Nakita nyo, nasa bottom. I'm a position trader. That's the reason why I opened Axis during this level because we're seeing the reversal already. Right? So, it's not too late. This is kind of too late. already to enter Axie because mahal na siya. The Axies during this time, umabot ng 300,000 ang isa, 500,000. And if ever you started during the peak, that was too late, man. So let it drop. And it drop, it's the right time to start. Okay? So Axie is good. And then Ember Sword, right? When you talk about fundamentals of the game, Ember Sword has one of the best right now that I can see sa NFTs. Yung iba, no. I'm not gonna be playing them. I'm not gonna be wasting my time on them. Ember Sword. Jokat, Link, and Dot. Right. Teka lang punta ako ng Facebook lang ulit. Lawrence Abad, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Salamat sa mga opportunities. Idol Jud na ako. Buutan ng bunga na love you. Thanks, Lawrence Abad, man. You're welcome. I'm gonna go back to you, to Facebook. Ramin Sepasi. Sir Lloyd, ask ko lang po bakit mas maganda posisyon na. Nabasa natin to. Andrew Dolby. Hi, Sir Lloyd. What's your take sa Ethereum ngayon? Buy na po ba for holding? No, it's way up there. Dapat noon pa nung bumagsak siya at nag-support. Sorry. Excuse me. Yung kinain ko. Junior Kino, day trading, I suggest bot is the answer. Yeah. Let me just share to you the results of bot once again, man. Yung bot trading natin, passive income already. January 18 to October, 200% gains already. Right? Sobrang ganda ng gains natin sa bot. Let me just open my mobile saglit. Kasi hindi updated to dito eh. One moment. Alright, good. $582 yung sa Izanagi ko. So, sobrang ganda. Ito yung public na account natin. So, $582 is around almost 20% na. Right? So, it's doing well. But, check out Izanagi, please. Right? If naghahanap kayo ng passive income, maganda, like copy trading. Copy trading is good, but it's in stocks. Medyo mabagal yan. Forex, mas high risk, high reward. 42% drawdown. Pero you won't get this kind of result if you're not ready for this one. If ever gusto niyo mas mababang drawdown, lower risk, like let's say for example, 15% or even 25%, syempre, mas mababa rin yan. Right? So, it's up to you. But yeah, I recommend Izanagi. It's for free, man. Check out Izanagi. Like Izanagi, then combined with position trading plus long-term stocks, yes. That's good diversification right there, Junior Aquino. Maria Mangawang, Sir, good to buy po ba si All Day at 0.6 na IPO? Don't miss Monday's episode. We invited Kapayamang Arnel. He is a stockbroker, very good stockbroker. Also influencer partner natin dito sa StockSed. On Monday, we will share to you his insights. Mas maganda if si Kapayamang Arnel mag-share niyan because that's his job. He has all the data needed as a broker. Meron yan sila. Right? So he's gonna share it to us. Andrew Dolby, Sir Lloyd, what's your take in PATH? Sabasa natin to. Ramin Rapasi, yun ang tingin ko po. Position trading naman, iwan mo lang kahit lang hindi mo pa silip-silipin. Take profit, stop loss ka na lang. Yes, it is really depending on preferences. Pero, yeah, we're comparing position trading compared to day trading tsaka swing trading, di ba? It will boil down to preference, right? Pero, if you look at it in a income point of view, palakihan ng income, syempre mas maganda sila day trading tsaka swing trading. Right? It really is up to you. Rosario Sal, you're welcome. Kel Mike, Sir TB ETH, yes, should be taking profits already. In ETH, I already sold half and maintaining other 50% I got from the dip. Good job, man. QCOM, sir. This is from Mar Oli. Time check, it's 8:57. Ang dami pang comments. Pasensya na if ever hindi ko po masasagot lahat. I still have a lot to prepare for tonight kasi mamaya yung land sale ng Ember Sword. It's gonna be a big night for me. So, pasensya na if ever hindi talaga tayo makapag-extend. And hanggang isang oras na energy ko. Hindi ko kaya ganito. Mas mahaba. Sakit sa lalamunan, man. QCOM. Alright, that's the bottom right there. There's no, on short term, looking at it for short term, there is no reversal signals just yet. No divergence, no nada. So I think there's no signals just yet. Wag lang muna. We need more data about this one. AT, this is from Alvin Castillo. Let's check out AT. Bobby Shelby, pasabay po sa coin. Ano po altcoins ngayon ang good to buy for holding? Thanks po always, Sir Lloyd. I'm not. Atlas, galing ha. Right. Look at that divergence. Beautiful. Hopefully, you've traded it here. At last, pull back and bounce. Altcoins na magandang bilhin. SLP, man. SLP is very cheap right now and mas grabe ang usage na ngayon kaysa sa ibang altcoins na wala pang gamit talaga. Right? So, I usually look at the fundamentals din kasi of a coin. Right? So, yeah. Nagbunga na din sa MWIDE. Laging bodega lang finally. Alright. Maroli is asking about FB. Ramin, sa PASI module mo noon, yes, tapos na. Tapos na yung free natin. Sell signal po ba, sir, kay MWIDE? Wala pa naman siya sell signal. But if it goes red, sell some of it. Tapos na yung basic crypto stock set. Tapos na nga eh. Ramon sa PASI, Sir Lloyd, do you use RSI for combination with BB? Sometimes, yes, I do that. Right? Especially for looking for common RSI lang, if ever nasa overbought or oversold siya, I use that also. Kahit na kasi, let's say for example, nag-break siya ng Bollinger Band, pero yung RSI niya, it's already at oversold levels, I will not buy that also. Right? Kahit masabihin pa ni Bollinger Bands na momentum siya. Alibaba. Alright, Alibaba, galing. We talked about ABA right now, during these levels. Ang ganda ng divergence niya. Right now, pull back and bounce kagad kay Alibaba. Resistance, there's a strong resistance right there. Next entry should be that breakout right there. SPCE Puser, Lawrence Basilio. Sige, I'll try to cover last 5 lang kahit na mag-overtime tayo ng konti. SPC, Virgin Galactic. Looking well. That's a buy right there. Major support, 22.27. Diyan nyo po bilhin. Diyan nyo po i-cut loss, mag-stop loss below that. That's your support. Piton, sir, from Mark Kevin Gimbay, last 4. How much, Jokat is asking, how much po ang need to start Izanagi? You can even start with just 12,500 pesos. I recommend starting at around $500, that's $25K or 1,000. Right? Sayang din naman. Pero start lang kayo ng kahit $500 lang. If ever magustuhan nyo in the future, then you just add. That's not a problem. Okay? Piton. Ito na si Peloton. Reverse head and shoulder, man. Going red right now. Resistance right there. Kung gusto mo ng confirmation, let it break out na lang muna for Piton. No reason to go aggressive on this, especially nasa baba pa naman siya sa MA20. Okay? Last 3. Dave Viola. Sir, anong dividend stock nyo maintain nyo? I'm not into dividend stocks. Right? But, kung gusto nyo po ng dividend stocks, GMA7, especially pasok na elections, go for A-REIT. Ay, mas mahal na ngayon sa A-REIT. Ang ganda sana nung na A-REIT noon, tsaka ni M-REIT. Right? I told you, those are very good ones. Ramin Sepa, si Sir Lloyd, susunod nyo pa rin po ba market cycle bago po kayo mag-trade? Yes, I do follow that. Especially bullish and bearish markets. Yun yung pinaka-tinitignan ko na market cycle. Kasi if bearish ang market, walang kwenta ang technical analysis. Kahit pa mag-support yan dyan, hindi ko ito-trade yan kasi mas malaki ang chances for it to drop. Okay? LGRT, thanks Sir Lloyd. Another productive night, definitely. Pasabay po sa Ember Coin. Right, so yeah, let me talk about that. I'm gonna be buying silver badge mamaya, $500. The problem is the next is gold badge, $2,500 na. If ever we can reach 2,500, man, kahit na magdagdag ako ng $500 dyan, it's gonna be okay with me, but we need $1,500. I'm not sure if you're gonna be willing to risk $1,500 so that we can reach the 2,500. But if you are, then hit me up, Financial Freedom 101. Ito yung bibilin ko, 500 USDC, right? That's it for me this evening, right? Again, if gusto niyo po mag-diversify sa Axie and ayaw niyo yung sakit ng ulo ng NFTs, send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. I'll make your life easy for you as you're diversified into Axie, right? And in behalf of the scholars natin na ito, right? They have a job right now because of the partners that we have na nakipag-partner sa akin. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. Papakita ko to lagi, right? So, congratulations and thank you, right? And Ember Sword, it's gonna be up, so I'm gonna be updating more about it. Yung pinakamaganda lang is this one right here, guys. Right? Izanagi. Hopefully, you already have an Izanagi account. If not yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Maybe buying power, right? So, Yeah, ipon kayo, right? If not, if you already have the funds, then test this out. Check it out at the video description, right? Keep an open mind, diba? That's it for me. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.